We gotta look out for the YNs. They try to jack me. So I can't really see. I could just take off. Get out the way, boy. Boy, playing with me. I don't know where I'm going, but I know I'm gonna need some gas though. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, what happened to that? I need to get alignment to y'all boys. My jump, like, it's not centered. And a balancing too. Most definitely. What type of, where are we at? Phillips 66. I don't think we in the right place, y'all boys. We just on the straight road for real, for real. We gonna see what we can see though. We gonna cut back to the city life, y'all boys. I know this look kind of boring. It look kind of boring to me, so I know it's boring to y'all. So, you know what I'm saying? We gonna go ahead and head back. See what I'm saying? Go in the city, terrorize the city. I've been hearing cars all weekend. Cutting up. So we gonna see if we can find some cars cutting up, man. You know my objective every video is to give y'all a good show. So we got to find where are the cars at. That's our objective for this video. Where are the cars that I've been hearing all week long? We at the gas station right now. About to get gas, y'all boys. We gotta look out for the YNs. But they try to jack me. I know them. Gotta put that 93 in that thing, boy. No 87. Straight 93. Why they don't got super pumps that just pump like $10 per second? 26 on the 93? Okay. Let's get out of here. Got to burn that asphalt right quick. And them boys staring at me. They're like, what is he about to do? He's a YouTuber. Yes, indeed, I am. Good sir. I'm about to give them a little show. Driving fast out of here. Oh my goodness gracious. God damn. This y'all still want to go? Why it's still high like that? I know. See, I was just talking about this in the last video. He put all that soot on me just now. Why a diesel truck that's trying to race me, y'all boys? He was pulling though. But he was letting all that soot out though. Boy trying to soot me.
Huh?
Pause, cause that sounded wrong, but let's go ahead and slow down up in that area though. I knew something was gonna happen today. I was going down, so but they be acting erratic. Oh, they go to Green Reaper, y'all boys. I told you y'all, them boys be looking for me, man. Y'all don't be believing me. I forgot, it's the 5 o'clock traffic. About to be 5 o'clock. Oh, he behind me. That junk kind of getting it though. I hate driving in slow traffic like this. Like, I just be really wanting to punch the gas for real. Oh, okay. Stopping and looking at me. I thought, I didn't know what was going on. I thought they were trying to slide on me. Thought them boys trying to execute me. Little Charlie. It's a Mustanggt beside them too. Okay, they getting up. Okay. Okay. Got to rub my hands, y'all boys. Okay. 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 He getting it with the. Okay. I'm gonna catch up with him though. Them diesel trucks be pulling though. I kind of underestimated him. He been pulling with it though. I ain't even gonna lie. He had that junk. Boy, going crazy. Okay. At the same time, letting out that carbon soot. Boy, trying to soot me.
Huh?